In one's darkest moments, my brothers and my sisters, Yaqub's reliance on Allah's perfect plan serves as a timeless reminder. He endured the pain of not just losing one son, not just one son that he lost, my brothers and my sisters, but two, both Yusuf and Binyamin. Yet he remained steadfast, placing his trust entirely in Allah. In the depth of his sorrow, he poured his grief out to the only one who really understood him. Right? The only one who really understood him. إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ. I only complain my suffering and my sorrow to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We run to the creation, right? Maybe the first time they'll be there, you have a shoulder to cry on. Second, third, after that, this guy's always complaining. Why is she always crying? This is what is said behind your back. But my brothers and my sisters, right? Allah loves for you to run back to Him. In fact, He gets angry when you don't ask Him. As the Messenger ﷺ said, "Man lam yas'al Allah yaghdab alayh." Whoever doesn't ask Allah, Allah becomes angry with him. Yaqub ﷺ is showing us how we should deal with our adversaries, how we should deal with our problems and hardships. Go in a corner, my brothers and my sisters, while the people are fast asleep. Go and beg Allah. Go and cry out your sorrow to Him, your hardships and your difficulties.